And how's it going, guys? This is i7 Tech and welcome back to the channel. And today we're doing the InPods 12 wireless stereo headphones. Now these wireless stereo headphones are very popular around, and yeah, they're okay, they're not too great, but today we're doing an unboxing and the full review will come out very soon, so stay tuned for that one. Now this is the 5.0 version with touch options, and it's got IPX waterproof. I've never tried it in waterproof, but I'll try it in the full review. Hopefully I don't break them. But basically on the side of the box you've got the Android and iOS with the V5.0. Here we've got the touch V5.0. On the side we've got made in China, and here at the back we've got the different colors with the names again and some product information if you want to pause and read it for yourself. But today now we're just doing an unboxing, so without further ado, let's see what's inside. As you can see, when you take it out, put that to the side, you've got your USB cable, which is quite short for me, your micro USB to charge your either your iPhone or these pods, which is pretty great. So I can use my phone charger to charge it as well. As you know that iPhone chargers, they don't come cheap, and if they break, it's nice to have a backup plan. We've got the so-called user manual here, which is in China. Yeah, no one reads that. Put that to the side. The moment of truth, here are the InPods, and as you can see going around, they look similar to the old original iPods. As you press the button there, you see they're charging, the blue light comes on, and there's some battery life, and here's where you charge it. And yeah, here's the hinge which it hinges on. You press this bell, then the light comes on. As you open it, there you go, then you have your InPods. Pretty similar to the first generation. The lights comes on when you pairing it to Bluetooth, and then it will turn red when it wants to charge. If it doesn't find a connection, and then it won't connect. So putting them back, as you can see in the case, pretty self-explanatory, nothing too fancy, nothing too exciting there, really simple and easy. And yeah, these are the InPods 12. The full review will be coming soon, so stay tuned on the channel to stay notified with the latest videos on this channel, to see whether these are good or bad, whether you should purchase them or not. That will come in the latest videos coming up soon. Anyway, this has been i7 Tech. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and press that bell so you can stay notified with the latest videos in this channel. With that being said, I'm i7 Tech, and I'll see you guys in the next one.